Right out there in the pole lot, chilling in the back of the track. Niggas got packs trying to get them racks.
Well, YouTube is about that time. Yes. Got the Recones in, so it's only official if I show you guys me unboxing it, basically. Actually, let me look at what I can stand these things on, but oh, this camera on real quick. Hey, this fucker's a little tall. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys me unboxing them. Damn. Here's how they looking so far. Nice package. Oh, the dude snap. Gave me some cards. Corey Dean. Hit this dude's up for any kind of soft parts you need. But most likely custom building for you. Got nice decals. This is what's up. This dude snap. Dust cap. Oh man, it's a thick old dust cap. Oh, it's double. Okay. Yeah, I just ordered the plain dust cap because the sub's going to be inverted anyway, so I just got the plain dust cap. I'm just gonna lay these flat, so this is fine. Oh yeah, big old mega roll. Let me show you guys everything. There's your coil, the black coil for sure. Direct leads. I got the blue spider, and then it's got be careful with that. Yeah, you gotta just be careful with the coil. You don't want to smash it because it'll bend real easy. Yeah, we got 4 tensile leads. Is it 4? No, it's 3. Yeah, 3 tensile leads on it. It's a beefy thing here. Wow. So the next step is for sure dropping it in that. So keep your eyes open for the next video. The next video is going to be me dropping these things in. And there's the second one. Just letting you know I got both of them. I'll keep you guys updated.